Pursuant to the Texas Civil Practice and Remedies Code, Section 30.016, regarding recusal or disqualification of certain judges. Under Section A, in this section, tertiary recusal motion means a third of subsequent motion for recusal or disqualification filed against the district court or statutory court judge by the same party in a case. B, a judge who declines recusal after a tertiary recusal motion is filed shall comply with the applicable rules of procedure for recusal and disqualification, except that the judge shall continue to 1, preside over the case, 2, sign orders in the case, and 3, move the case to final disposition as though a tertiary recusal motion had not been filed. C, a judge hearing a tertiary recusal motion against another judge who denies the motion shall award reasonable and necessary attorney fees and costs to the party opposing the motion, the party making the motion, and the attorney for the party are jointly and separately liable for the award of fees and costs. The fees and costs must be paid before the 31st day after the date denying the tertiary recusal motion is rendered, unless the other party is properly superseded. Unless the order is properly superseded. D, the denial of the tertiary recusal motion is only reviewable on appeal from final judgment. E, if a tertiary recusal motion is finally sustained, the new judge for the case shall vacate all orders signed by the sitting judge during the pendency of the tertiary recusal motion. Based on Texas Code of Civil Practice and Code, Section 3.016B. 3, this code moves this case to final disposition as though the tertiary recusal motion has not been filed. This case is filed.
Again, October 27th, I filed the recusal. I told them they did not have jurisdiction to hold that proceeding, that trial, due to no notice and it being on the recusal jurisdiction of the administrative judge. They still went ahead and had the trial. Even though I objected to it in open court, I told them there was a bunch of court watchers, they still proceeded to hold me to that trial. 60 days later, December 27th, I got the order denying recusal. So between 10/27 and 12/27, that recusal was in the hands of the in the jurisdiction of the administrative court. So therefore, they didn't have jurisdiction to hold my trial, and it was just a complete waste of time.